Surfaces in Civil 3D, created by Ahmed Edmour. Welcome to this chapter. Definition of a surface. A surface is a three-dimensional geometric representation of an area of land, or in the case of the volume surfaces, is a difference or composite between two surface areas. Surfaces are made up of triangles or grids, which are created with Autodesk Civil 3D connects the points that make up the surface data. In Civil 3D, a surface is a 3D digital model that represents the terrain or ground. It's created by using survey data, points, breaklines, or contours to represent the elevation of the land. Think of it as a virtual landscape inside Civil 3D, where every point on the surface has an x, east, y, north, and z elevation value. Type of surfaces. Civil 3D supports several surface types, and each is used depending on a project needs. TIN surfaces, triangulated irregular network, made up of triangles that connect surveyed points. Very common in engineering because they accurately model irregular terrain. Example, designing a road on hilly ground use survey data. Grid surfaces. The terrain is represented as a grid of squares, each with elevation data. Best for large, flat areas with evenly spaced data. Contour surfaces. Built from contour lines representing elevation, and useful when only contour maps are available instead of detailed survey points. Example, using scanned topography maps for land development. Real-world application. Surfaces are essential for Civil 3D, civil engineering, and infrastructure design. Some practical uses. Road design. Engineers use surfaces to plan road alignment, cut and fill volume, and ensure smooth vertical profile. Example, designing highway through the mountainous area. Cut and fill analysis determines how much earth must be excavated as a cut and how much must be added as a fill for construction. Example, preparing a site for a new airport runway. Watershed analysis. Surfaces help simulate how water flows across terrain. Key surface element. A surface in Civil 3D is made up of several key components. Points, the basic building blocks, surveyed coordinates with the elevations. Breaklines, liner feature that force the surface to represent changes such as ridges, curves, or edges of roads. Boundaries define the extent of a surface or areas to exclude lines and contours, lines that connect equal elevation points, making the terrain readable. In summary, a surface in Civil 3D is the foundation of civil engineering projects. By understanding the different surface types, elements, and applications, engineers can model the real world inside their software, make accurate designs, and reduce errors during construction. Thank you for watching. See you in next lesson.